Hey my Rhapsody fam, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka and in today's video I am going to review My Glam Total Makeover FF Cream, and it says that it does the job of 5 different products. So if you have that palette in your vanity, then you do not need 5 more products in your makeup vanity, and that I'm going to discuss later what are those 5 products. And I would like to tell you that this video is not sponsored by any brand or any person or any media agency. That I paid my own money. I got that in on discount, but I paid my own money, and I also got a gift with that I'm also going to review and show you in this video. And not only that, in this video I'm also going to tell you how you can get My Glam free lipstick without paying any single rupee. And I'm really sorry for the background noise. People are shouting out there, and it's been a really long intro. And on that note, I'm quickly going to start my review. But before we start the review, make sure that you do follow me on my Instagram for more such content. And now with that being said, let's dive right into this video. Now I'm going to show you the exact thing I received in this morning. So I received that palette today itself, and I'm going to tell you how you receive My Glam products. So whenever you purchase anything from My Glam website, you are going to purchase this kind of a box. And even if you order a single kajal pencil, this size of box you will get, and you will get the product in this size. Under this box you get a bubble wrapping in which your product will be wrapped. So it came into this. And now this is the My Glam Total Makeover FF cream palette, and this is how the packaging, very niche, very beautiful. Like, this is the brand by Manish Malhotra. Then you know, like, he's going to make everything very chic and nice. So this is how you open it. There is like one curve here, so you get that. And this is like my favorite part about this packaging. It comes in this kind of a packaging as well, and then it is like foam everywhere, like it's like completely protected. And now you have this kind of a, I don't know what we call it, and there is barcode. This is the packaging of the palette. My ring light is going to show in this, and you can see, so behind the palette this is like white, and this is the golden packaging here. Very beautiful combination of the packaging. Left this really well. Whatever is written is here is also written here as well, so I'm going to read that for you. And this says My Glam Total Makeover FF Cream 5-in-1 Primer, Concealer, Foundation, Compact with SPF 30 and Skin Tone Corrector Palette. It says that it is going to do the job of 5 products, which is primer, concealer, foundation, compact, and color corrector as well. So we will see. And it also has SPF of 30. So you should not forget to apply a sunscreen, but in case you do, you can use this palette. Now the same thing is written over here, if you can see that, and I'm in the shade Latte. I was pretty much confused in the shade, like 2 shade, Latte and Cappuccino, so I went for Latte. I hope that this suit me really well. Coming back to the packaging, we can see that we have the foundation here. There is yellow highlighter, and this is the color corrector, which is in the shade Orange. So I think orange is the shade that works for most of the skin darkness pigmentation. So I think this is going to work really well. I think that this is a little light for my skin. As you can see, that this is like little light for my skin, but I really hope that this suits my skin. And now you have a full size mirror here. I cannot move that much than that, but this is a full size mirror here, which is like pretty nice and good quality. Your face is not going to look in this mirror, because the mirror right here is very beautiful and like nice quality. So yes, this is that. Now this is in the cream texture, and before we swatch this on my face, I'm going to clean my face because I haven't washed my face. But you don't do that. Whenever you do your makeup, make sure that you do wash your face and moisturize it. I'm also going to use a toner to clean my face, and I'm going to apply a moisturizer. And now it's time to test that palette. So as you can see, I haven't even tried it at all. Like, this is the palette I received in the morning, and as you can see, I haven't tried it. So I'm going to give you my very first opinion about this palette. So I'm going to use my fingers. I'll see if that my fingers works or not. If that doesn't work, I'm going to use a sponge, because I'm not a very big fan of brushes. So firstly I'm going to color correct my eye, and I have like massive dark circles, and this is a creamy texture, very smooth, like it is smooth, and I'm going to apply that. I think I have gone a little overboard, but let's just see. So I do not have too much pigmentation on my smile lines, but like around this area of my mouth, but still just to try it out. Now this blends really beautifully. The texture is very nice and I really like this. So as you notice that I haven't applied any primer, and these days I'm not even applying any primer because I do my video just to show you in this video. But whenever you apply your makeup, make sure that you apply the primer, because it tightens your pore, creates a barrier between your skin and the makeup, so that it doesn't the makeup doesn't harm your skin very badly. And the primer is also going to protect, and it makes your makeup stays a little longer as well. So yeah, and it took me not a lot of time, but I think the texture is pretty nice. Very nice texture. Okay, so I have color corrected my eyes, as such I could not see any kind of difference. I'm going to conceal my under eye area to see again. Very smooth. And again I'm going to use my fingers. Can you see the difference? Like, I think the concealer is really nice. I'm going to take a little bit more on this part, because I can see that this part is still matching my color tone, but this is like still very light, because I have like massive, really massive dark circles. I don't know why, but like it's been a really long time, like almost over a decade, not almost, over a decade, I'm pretty sure, and I still face these dark circle issues. So yes, so it took me a little bit time, and on this part now I'm going to apply this concealer with the help of a sponge, a blender. So let's see how it works with that. Now as usual I'm going to take my color bar sponge, which is a little damp, and I'm going to apply the concealer here, and I'm going to use this. Since it is a creamy texture foundation, I think blender is going to eat a lot of the product. Now it's time to try the foundation here, but let's see, I'm like very nervous, and just first just check if it is like my skin tone or not. So okay, so the texture of the foundation is like more creamier than these two thing. And okay, so this is like way too light for my skin tone. Not a lot on your forehead, because your forehead has like crease, so it when you apply so much on your forehead, it comes out really weirdly. So yeah, the shade is way too light for my skin. Blend this with a blender. On this side I'm going to use my finger. Now it's time to review this palette. As you can see, the packaging is really nice, and it claims so much that we are going to discuss further. But as you can see, the shade is little light for my skin, but it hasn't hide my pigmentation that much. As you still can see that there is like still a pigmentation which is coming through. So the coverage of this palette is like light to medium. I don't know, I won't even say medium, because I don't know if it is that buildable or not, but I can see like this is very light coverage thing. Doesn't hide if you have like very dark pigmentation on your skin, that it is not going to hide that at all. Because so now one by one we are going to discuss all the things in detail. So first thing is color corrector. The color corrector is okay, not very capable to cover your under eye dark circles or any kind of pigmentation. So I am like not very happy with the corrector, but I am okay. Like it has lightened my dark circles a bit. So yeah, okay. The concealer is again okay for me. I do not think that has done the job that well. It will definitely highlight the part wherever you apply that. So if you want to apply that on the high points of your face that you want to highlight, then you can definitely use that. But again, I'm not that happy with these two things. Now coming back to the foundation, I am of course I haven't chosen the right shade because this is way too light for my skin, but I can see that it blends really well. Now all the three things I'd say blends really well, very smoothly, either if you use the blender or you use fingers, your hands, or even if you use brush. And when you touch it, you can see a little bit of chip, but it's not that chip like, you know, any kind of liquid foundation or stick foundation. It's not that chip, but it's like little chip. So for dry skin type people or normal skin type people, I think that's a good choice to invest in. But for oily skin or combination people, I think that is you have to, like, you know, set it with a compact or something. Overall, I am kind of happy. Make sure that you choose the right shade. Now one by one we are going to talk about the 5 products that it claims, if that works or not, because 3 are in this palette only. So we are going to see if that works as a compact or a primer or not, and we'll also discuss other 3 things as well. So for primer, I don't think it works as a primer. It can replace or develop a primer, so you should use a primer because you know, it is very light to medium coverage. If you want to apply layers of this, it is going to fail to give you medium coverage as well. So for primer thing, I don't think it works as a primer. Now for concealer we have spoken about. Foundation I've also told you. Now compact, normal to dry skin people, I think they can skip for the compact thing. I think they would not need to set it, but oily and combination people, I think you would need a good compact or powder to set it, otherwise it's going to give you a little chippy feeling. And it doesn't worth it. 1450 for this palette doesn't worth it at all, and I think it should have been a little cheaper for the price we are paying for, because I paid like 750, around 750 for this, but I still think that it is not even worth 750. I think it should have come for like 500 or maximum for 600. Like I think 500 is the perfect range for this palette. So now let's keep this aside, and now I'm going to tell you how you can get My Glam free lipstick. To get your My Glam free lipstick, what you have to do, you have to click on the link that I have mentioned in the comment section. I have pinned that comment, and I am also going to leave the link in the description box below, and you have to click on that, and then you have to sign up. While signing up, when you are entering your details, like only have to add your number, then you can sign up with your number, and then it will take you to the detail page when you have to write your name, email ID, and then you have to write a referral code. So referral code is going to be there on the screen. So in the referral code column, you have to enter my referral code, and then you will have to sign up. When you will sign up, it will direct you to a survey page. You have to complete that survey. Now sometimes it asks for like 30 or 40 questions, but nowadays it is asking you only for like 5 basic questions. So you can definitely like quickly go through these questions and answer whatever you want to, select the answer. These are like, you don't have to type anything, you only have to, like, there will be options available, so you will have to just click on your preferred option, and then after completing that survey you will get 3 things. Out of those 3 things, 2 will be coupon codes. First coupon code will be to get yourself a free lipstick. So you have to select any lipstick which is available at the price of $3.95 on My Glam website or app. You have to select one lipstick, and then you have to apply that code, and when you apply that code, it will deduct the amount will be deduct, and you will only have to pay $99, which is the shipping charges. Now there will be another coupon code. So if you want to buy anything, you will get 500 discount on that. So you have to purchase anything which worth 999 and you will get 500 discount on that. Now the third thing that you will get is 275 MyGlam points, and now 1 point is equal to 1 rupee. So that means you will get 275 rupees as 275 points. Whenever you buy anything from MyGlam app, you can redeem those points and 275 rupees will directly deduct from that amount, and you will have to pay whatever remains after that. And that these are the three things that you are going to get. And now I'm going to tell you that what lipstick I got recently. I bought it from my own money. Now that is not from the service. I have like so many, like 7-8 lipstick from this brand, MyGlam liquid lipstick. 2 are from the other another range, but I have like at least 6 lipstick from this MyGlam lit liquid lipstick. And I recently bought this shade, and this is a shade 35 Submarine, very beautiful shade, and I am going to apply this. So this is this beautiful shade right here, like bright pink, plum, and very bold shade. So if you like bold lipstick, that is going to look really nice on your lips. Any Indian skin tone people can wear this lipstick very easily and look really bold and beautiful. And if you like this lipstick, then do let me know in the comment section below. Now it's been a really long video, so I'm taking you a leave, and with that it's a wrap, guys. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you do, then please give it a thumbs up and please share with your friends, family, and everyone, because everyone deserves to know honest reviews about makeup products if they are a makeup enthusiast, and everyone deserves to get some free lipstick makeup products. So yeah, and so please share this link with all the females you know, and if you don't know any female, boys, you can also share it with them so that they can refer their friends, girlfriends, mothers, sisters the link, and they can get themselves a free lipstick from the brand MyGlam. And make sure that you comment anything. If you have anything in your mind, comment that below, and do subscribe to my channel if you like me, my content, my videos. I will see you in my next video, guys. Till then, bye bye.